Part of my role really is driving us forward from a technology perspective, making sure that I keep people productive and secure. And Advania is now probably the largest privately held IT services company in Northern Europe. I would say it's appropriate to spend a bit of time making sure you've got good hygiene and processes around your data. It's a good opportunity to make sure that your data aligns to the principles of the GDPR, for example, and that you're not holding on to all data longer than you need to, because that's only going to hold you back on AI. AI starts with a good IA, information architecture. So I think it's appropriate to do the work you can on it, but it certainly doesn't have to be perfect, and you can still iterate and go through that data journey whilst also adopting AI. Sovereignty is on all of our minds, and Advania, we operate across several different geographies. I'm really conscious of the different kind of versions of AI, the different models that are being used in the business, and ultimately where our data is going to end up. One of the decision points when we decided to go all in on Copilot for Microsoft 365 was that if we didn't empower the business with a personal AI, then they would go and find a personal AI themselves. It plays into sort of the other hat that I wear around security and just making sure that we can absolutely maintain governance and compliance around the way that we use AI and use it responsibly. It's really important that it's not just about the bottom or the top line, it's actually about the experience that we're creating for our employees in the workplace. There's a few things really that's happened over the last couple of years, and game changers internally are probably more recently. So one particular one that I'll call out now is known as our RFP agent, and our RFP agent is helping our bids team to become incredibly more efficient in the way that we respond to bids for prospective customers and existing customers, of course, for tenders. But it's not just the speed which we were after, it's the quality as well, in which we can review many thousands of previous RFPs and quickly assemble very well structured and comprehensive responses to RFPs as they come in now, in less than half the time that we used to be able to do it. Let's be honest, I think for any organisation out there who says they've got the perfect kind of data architecture and the good hygiene and governance throughout it all, they'd probably be lying, and I think we've all got a bit of a journey to go on with our data. This is a really important area in technology. It's going to help us transform business processes. It's going to help us all to become better versions of ourselves in terms of businesses, and allow our staff to really enjoy the work that they do, because they're not doing the mundane, low-level work. They're able to apply their skills to higher value activities, whether they're in creative roles or analytical roles. AI is for everybody, and it really has changed our business and how we think about work.